Welcome to the first lesson in geometry, section 1-3, points, lines, and planes. So starting off with some vocabulary. A point is a location with no size, represented by a dot with a capital letter. So on the right you notice we have point A, and I would denote this just by putting a capital A, no dot around the A. A line is a series of points that extends in two opposite directions without ends. So on the right we have line XY, and we can denote that with capital X, capital Y, double-sided arrow, meaning it's a line, or we could reverse those, capital Y, capital X, double-sided arrow. So with lines, order does not matter. A plane is a flat surface that has no thickness, extends infinitely in two dimensions. So on the right we have plane PQR, and we would just use three capital letters with no commas in between, and I'm just going to write in front of that, that's plane PQR, or we could call it plane RQP. I could even just call it plane RQP. Again, order doesn't matter. And then space is the set of all points. Collinear points are points that lie on the same line. Non-collinear points are points that do not lie on the same line. Coplanar are points and lines in the same plane. Non-coplanar, points and lines not in the same plane. And postulate is an accepted statement of fact, also known as an axiom. And we're going to look at 4 postulates today. So postulate 1-1 says through any 2 points there is exactly one line. And you'll see an example on your paper where you have lines. So it only takes 2 points to form a line. And you might remember that from algebra when you graphed linear equations, you only needed to plot 2 points to make a line. Postulate 1-2 says if 2 lines intersect, then they intersect at exactly 1 point. Postulate 1-3, if 2 planes intersect, they intersect in exactly 1 line. So we saw before that lines intersect at a point, planes will intersect at a line. And the last postulate, 1-4, through any 3 non-collinear points, there is exactly 1 plane. So having at least 3 points forms 1 plane.